Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to the channel, I wholeheartedly welcome you to Eat to Live Strong Plus More. And today I am going to do an unboxing of this beautiful, wonderful, powerful Vitamix. Yes! And before I get into it, let me give you some information here. So it started, we had a Vitamix 5300, loved it. Very powerful product, loved it. But it wasn't giving me the juice that I wanted. So I didn't know how to. Now I had it for 4.5 years, and I could never get it to give me a juice. It was always smoothie. Word of advice, guys, more is not always good. So that's just a hint. So anyway, we went to Costco's looking for a juicer, and there was a young lady there doing the demonstration for this wonderful piece here, the Vitamix Ascent with, I'm going to read the box and tell you everything that's in here, and you're going to see it as well. But I walked up to her and she said, hey, you want to try the new Vitamix? I said, I have a Vitamix. And she said, well, what do you have? I said, oh, I had one from Costco's about 4 or 5 years ago. She said, oh, you got the 5300. I said, yep, that's the one. So she said, this one here does a lot more than the 5300. But tell me, why are you trying to come away from the Vitamix? I said, because I'm not getting the benefit of a juice. I get smoothies, and don't get me wrong, guys, smoothies are really good because what you put in there, you're going to get it all out. And that's what's healthy for you. But sometimes I just want that juice, something that's not as heavy as a smoothie. And she told me, she says, let me show you what you're doing. She said, because your Vitamix that you have, the 5300, she said, I should not tell you this because you may change your mind, but I doubt it. She said, but the Vitamix that you have now could do juice too. You just probably are putting too much in the blender. And yeah, we just started stuffing fruits and veggies in there, and it just became a smoothie. So she showed me the key to it is not putting so much in the blender. So anywho, yeah, that's right, I said anywho. Anyway, she started demonstrating this product here. So I said, I wish Vitamix had a upsell, and they do. But to me, the upsell, I might as well keep the one that I have since nothing's wrong with it. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. But lucky me, I found somebody that would buy it for me, and I was able to put the money towards this one. And I had a deal. I said the only way I'm going to get this one and open it is if I got somebody to buy the other one, because this one, I don't even want to discuss the price. You can go check it out for yourself once I give you the descriptions. So let's go ahead and get into this so you can see what's all going on with this fabulous product. So it's going to come, of course, with the base. It is digital. So you have 2 settings that you can use. And of course, the settings are off the chain from what she was showing me in the store. So I will do a video that you'll see the results as well. So it comes with a base. It has the settings. It is time. It's electronic. The other one did not have a timer on it. So you kind of had to stop and go when you wanted to. Set this when the timer stops when it's time to stop. It came with 2 blenders or baked, what are they called? Containers. 2 containers. One is 64 ounces, and then the other one is a small one. It does the emulsifying. It's wonderful. It has the tamper. So when you get that chunk of stuff that you're trying to push down, you use the tamper and push it down. And then of course, it came with a gift of purchase, so I'll show that to you soon. All right, let me tell you a little bit about it. I want to try and pick this up, but my back is not the best, so let's go ahead and get this picked up here so you can see it. So you see the juice and all the fruits, and you see coffee in there, so yes. Okay, so I'm going to read some of this stuff off the box. Of course, I got the color of black. They had several different colors. They had red, white, black. They have one that I want to go back and get a container that is aluminum. And I'll tell you why. Because if you use turmeric like I do, turmeric stains everything and you will never get it out. So I want to go and get the aluminum one for, I don't think it's called aluminum. Maybe it is aluminum or stainless steel. I think it's stainless steel. But I want to get that one because I use, like I said, turmeric a lot, and nothing like having something that's got stains on it. Don't like it. So I'm going to go ahead and invest in that. It didn't come with this one. It is a separate purchase. So this is engineered and assembled in the United States of America. It is a family-owned American company since 1921. And the email address is going to be in the description box, but it is, the website. It is Vitamix.com, and this is the Ascent Series, a 2500 blender, plus a 24-ounce container, and a air disc container, which that is where you're going to see the coffee. It does the emulsifying, things of that nature. But this one has a full 10-year warranty on it. 10 years. The other one had a 5-year warranty. So that's got to say a lot that they have a warranty that goes out that far, right? So this one has a 10-year warranty on it. And let me just go ahead and tell you, featuring smoothies, frozen desserts, yummy, hot soups, coffee, you can emulsify, you can make your pesto, you can make a lot of things with this, but I'm gonna go ahead and get into this. I know you're like, "Will you gonna display this?" But it does a lot, and it just gives you more and more information. And it says no more than you ever dreamed possible, and I believe it, because you can make your salad dressings and things of that nature. But let me put it back to this side so I can finish reading this to you. You can do drinks, dinners, desserts. Done. The smaller container is the air disc. It muddle, foam, whip, and emulsify. So the standard would puree, chop, heat, and grind. So that's how you can do the coffee and things of that nature. So you can do chilies and soups and things of that nature in this thing. And then again, it has a timer on it. So I'm just going to get this opened up here. I know you're excited because I am. Come on. Okay. So it has here on the front of the lid here the things that it comes with. So again, it's gonna have your base. It's got your container here, another container which is the smaller one that does the emulsifying. You have the tamper, and you have the surprise. So let's go ahead and get this open. Before you blend, register and get your benefits. I will be registering this. I did buy it at Costco's as well. Rinse and use. With a quick wash, this product is ready to use out of the box. You better believe I will be washing this. It is dishwasher safe, meaning the containers are dishwasher safe. Not, of course, not the base. Then they have a rewards program. So you can join Vitamix Reward and get points for your purchase, watching helpful videos, and trying to learn new recipes. And then they have a customer service experience team is ready to help at 1-800-VITAMIX. So, ooh, all right. I know y'all want to get to the surprise, the gift with purchase type thing. All right, they used to have a lot of styrofoam in the box. They came up and they're like, no, we saving the earth, baby, so no styrofoam. So let me go ahead and pull this out. And like I said, my original, we were able to go ahead and sell it and got a good deal on it. But it came with a little book. And this is for the smaller container. This is the air disc. It will, like I said, it emulsifies, it muddles, it whips, it foams up, and it has all of these ingredients in it. So you can make your drinks, your hot toddies, and all of that in here. So yeah, it has a lot of recipes. So you're gonna get sick of me because I'm gonna be doing a lot of videos with this. So there's the book for the smaller container. Then they give you some little welcome to little things here. Start here and register here. Welcome to the family. Oh, I'm part of the family. Then they have another what to do with your disc, your smaller container. I'm just reading and trying to talk. Here, they have another book for the smaller container. the disc. And then of course it has the high performance 2300 and A2300 and A2500 high performance blender, the Accent Series. And it gives you this book here. It gives you some what to do's, how to do, and you know, how they send that stuff to you. And then here is the beautiful, beautiful thing that they gave us. Yes! They gave us the Culinary Adventure. Your passport to culinary adventure, simply blending quick, easy, whole food recipes for every meal. And it's a hardback. And it gives you all the different recipes, what to do, how to do it, how much to put in, chop, give, and all of that other stuff. So really nice book, really nice. So again, y'all gonna be sick of me with all the recipes. And then, let's see. Oh, I must mention, because I did sell the other one, the person that bought it did not need it. So I have the book for my other one, from my old one. So this one came with it's laminated, but this was the book that came with the first one that I had. So I kept it, because I'm like, yeah, you can use it for the same thing, for using it for this. And you know, in case y'all hadn't noticed, your girl loves cookbooks. So I got a bunch of cookbooks here. So this is it. All right. Let's start out with the easy things. Tamper. That's the tamper. Goes into the blender to kind of push down the things that's not cooperating, not wanting to get into the blender. Okay, so it comes with that. Okay. This is the blender, the 64 ounces. And it comes with a nice clear cover. The other one had a top that was like a rubbery top. And to me, it just wasn't very friendly to me. But this is pretty neat. It has, you know, you can pull that out. And then this is where your tamper would come into play. And that will push down. And it will not hit the blade. So that's a good thing there. So that's the 64 ounces. All right. This is the little sweetheart here. This thing here emulsifies. It will whip. It will, oh, it does. What did it tell you? All the things that it do. You can make your mixed drinks. It comes with the top, just like the bigger one. And safety here. So you got this one. Of course, you know I'm going to take this over to the sink and wash them. And I'm going to do I'm going to juice something and maybe put it out with the end of the video. All right. No styrofoam. Yay! No styrofoam here. All right. I'm going to go ahead and pull this plastic off. This is what makes it heavy. And I'm trying to pull the plastic off. This is the base, and it has two settings. It has a fan in the back. It's a fan back there that blows, and it has the on and off switch on the side here. On and off on the side. This is probably not a good idea for me to rip. Okay, we got an on and off switch here. Okay, the cord is rolled up underneath, and it's way that you can roll it up and it'll stay, so that makes it safe. You don't have anybody coming back tripping over a cord or anything and pull this expensive monster off. Again, it has a digital timer, so it's digital. This is digital, and then it has two settings: one for the small, one to use for this one. And I will tell you from when watching her in the store, if you put this one on and think you're going to do it on the smoothie setting, it's not going to work. It only works on the side that it's used, what it's designated for. And then the other side for, and it tells you on here, on this side what you use the smaller one for. It has settings 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. She said she never pulls hers above 7. And most people use it when they're like rinsing out the container after they've made a fruit juice or something. They put it on and they set it to like 3 or 4 and let it zzz and clean it out, and then it's just good to go. If you turn it this way, I'm gonna try and come over so you guys can see it. That's all that's in the box too, by the way. So let me just move the box out the way. And let me come over so you can see this. It's a digital display. So it's gonna be digital there. Oh, I got fingerprints already. Oop. So it's digital display. And again, if you're on the bigger one, you're gonna be able to set it to smoothie, coffee, and then soups. And it gets hot. So what will happen is when the timer goes off, it automatically shuts off. And then of course, on this side, this is if you're gonna do your emulsifying, you're doing some type of iced coffee, things of that nature. And the ice doesn't chip up in there either. So it does everything. It does not chip up the ice because iced coffee, you don't want that to happen. But anyway, but iced coffee, you don't want that to happen. So again, it goes 1 to 10, and she says she never takes it over 7. So that's what this says. And this is the, this is the, what is it called? Like you start it just for a little bit, and then it'll automatically, you can stop it. So that just gives it like a jump start. But that's what the basis on this one is. So guys, that is it for today. I want to thank you so much for joining me today. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Click that notification bell so you're notified of all my videos when they're uploaded. Share me out because sharing is caring. And get ready for some juicing videos and some ice creams and some coffees and some lattes and some soup. You're going to get sick of me. So I'm going to go ahead and get that done. So again, thank you again for joining me. See you next time. Love you long time. Bye for now. I got my Vitamix. Hey. See you guys. Bye.